Hi, Ed. What are you up to today? Want to build hot air balloons? Sounds like fun. Let's start by gathering all the parts. Good job, Charlie. That big basket is just your size. Hang on, Billy. Good teamwork, guys. Charlie gets the big pieces, and Billy gets the smaller ones. Time to put it all together. These burners will heat the air inside the balloons to make them fly. Careful, Ed. Almost done. Now to attach the burners. And finally, it's time to fill the balloons with hot air. Is everyone ready? Time to fly. How about a little contest? First, let's see who can hit the bullseye. Careful, don't crash into one of the pylons. Hold it steady, guys. Wow, that looked like fun. And here we are at the finish line. First place goes to Billy the Bulldozer. In second, Ed the Excavator. And in third place, Charlie the Crane. See you next time, everyone. Hi, guys. Looks like you're having fun. Ed, are you supposed to be a pirate? I see. And Billy has the treasure map? Hi, Charlie. What's that? You have an idea? You want to build a pirate ship? Wow, the ship is almost finished, but some pieces are missing. Careful, guys. Whoa, that was close. Oh no, the treasure map fell into the hole. Maybe Ed can reach it with his bucket. No? Well, let's finish building the ship and we can get the map later. Billy, Charlie is loading the lumber we need. Can you and Ed get the rest? Great job! We're almost done. You'll have the deck finished soon. Just a few more boards. Looks like Billy is almost finished getting the bowsprit ready. Once it's ready, it will help hold the ship's sails in place. Just a few more pieces to go. Charlie has the anchor, and Ed is getting the wheel which is used to steer the ship. Great work, guys! Now it's time to add the cannons. That's it! The ship is ready to sail. Hang on, everyone! Wow! It feels like the ship is out on the ocean. Thanks for your help, friends. See you next time. Hi, friends. Having fun at the amusement park? We'll have even more fun after we finish today's assignment. We're building a roller coaster. We have all the track pieces, but we need to put them together. Can you do that? That's the way, guys. Make sure you place them in the right position, Charlie. Looks like Billy the Bulldozer and Ed the Excavator may need a little help from Charlie the Crane to reach the high parts. Great job, guys. Now that is teamwork. There they go again. Billy just loves to play. But it's not time to play yet, Billy and Ed. We still have work to do. Nice job, guys. Let's place the cars on the track next so everyone can ride the roller coaster when we finish. A big car for Charlie and 2 smaller cars for Ed and Billy. Almost finished. There, all the pieces of the track have been used. But wait, one piece appears to be missing. Can you find it? There it is. Hey, ice cream truck and gumball machine, find somewhere else to play ball. We need that piece of track to finish the roller coaster. Perfect. Time to ride. Hold on tight, guys. Wow, that looks like fun. Phew, what a ride. See you next time, friends.
Hi, Dino. How are you today?
Woohoo!
Would you like to go bowling, Dino?
Aww.
Which ball do you want to use first, Dino?
Uh-huh.
That bowling ball is pink. That's okay, Dino. Let's try again with some rails.
Aww. Uh-huh.
That ball is green. How many pins can you knock down, Dino?
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4 pins. Well done, Dino. Would you like to go again?
Huh? Aww.
This ball is orange.
Woohoo!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clever, Dino. You knocked down 6 pins.
Woohoo!
Use the blue ball this time, Dino.
Uh-huh.
Uh-oh, Dino. That ball is purple.
Huh?
Try again to find the blue bowling ball.
Uh-huh. Oh.
Well done, Dino. That's the blue ball.
Woohoo!
Wow, excellent job, Dino. You got a strike.
Huh? Oh.
Did you have fun bowling today, Dino?
Uh-huh.
Me too. We counted pins and learned all these colors. Pink. Green. Orange. Purple. And blue. blue. See you soon, my friend.
Oh.
Hi, Ted. How are you? Would you like to go on a roller coaster and learn colors with us today? Great! Then let's go. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Pink. Wow, we had so much fun today, Ted. Would you like to sum up? Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Pink. See you soon, my friends.
Hey guys, you look busy today. What are you building? Looks like an old western town. There are certainly a lot of pieces of things lying around. This is going to be big, isn't it? Aha! It's an old western town. And that's the sheriff's office. Now we have a saloon, a hotel, and a sheriff's office. But what about all these other items, like the cactus? You're going to use them to build something else? These are going to be targets for a shooting range? Wow! A bank. Looks like the town is finished. And the targets are too. So you're going to shoot all the targets using that giant slingshot? Good luck, Billy. Way to go! Great job, Billy. One more shot. Hooray! Now it's Charlie's turn. Way to go, Charlie. Good one. Ed, do you want to try? Great job, Ed. Excellent. All the targets were hit. It was a fun time at our new shooting range. See you next time, guys. Hi, friends. What do you want to do today? You want to build a spaceship? Okay, let's get started. Those pieces are really big and heavy, aren't they? Ed, do you have anything that can help? Great! Wow! That made the pieces smaller and easier to handle. Good job, Ed. That's it, Charlie and Billy. Almost finished. Whoa! That was a little too soon, Ed. Careful, guys. Don't let it fall over. Perfect. Okay, Ed, now you can zap it again. The rockets are ready on the launch pad, but there's no place to ride yet. That looks great. Uh-oh. I think you may need to shrink that piece. Much better. Just a few more parts and this spaceship will be ready to fly. Looks like you're ready to go. Have fun. Be safe. 3, 2, 1, blast off. See you next time, friends. Hi, friends. Are you ready for a fun day at the amusement park? Before the fun begins, we have a job to do. Today, we will build a cotton candy machine. Some of the pieces are already here, but some are missing. Can you help find them? Ed? Billy? The pieces could be anywhere. Can you see any? Good catch, Billy the Bulldozer. But how will you get it down from up there? Great idea, Billy. Okay, guys, we'll have time for fun later. Good job, Ed the Excavator. Looks like Charlie the Crane has found something near the bounce house. That's the cab of a truck, and it attaches to the base. What's that, Billy? It looks important. Can you find more? I think Ed is taking a play break. Oops, you missed, Ed. But look, tires. Good job, guys. These tires go on the cotton candy truck. Great! The cotton candy maker is complete. Let's have some. What a tasty treat. Good work, friends. Now that the work is over, it's time to play. Whoa! Thanks for the lift, Charlie. That looks like fun. Great work today, guys. Enjoy the amusement park. See you next time. Hi, friends. Ready for another great day at the amusement park? Great. But before we play, we have work to do. Today, we will build a giant gumball machine. So first, we have to find all the pieces. Do you see something, Ed the Excavator? Billy the Bulldozer can give you a boost. Looks like a big red stopper. Let's put it over by the tires. There must be more pieces around here somewhere. Keep looking. Hey, Charlie, what's that on the merry-go-round? It's the body of the truck that makes the gumballs. Let's go start putting it all together. Way to go, Charlie. Great job holding the truck body while Ed puts the wheels on. Billy, are you going for a ride on the Ferris wheel again? Oh, there's a piece of the gumball machine on the Ferris wheel. Ed has found something big and round like a ball. Bring it to the truck and let's see if it fits. Perfect. And Billy found the bumper. Now we need to fill it with candy. Billy, you think we should fill it with balls from the ball pit? No. Ed, do you have a better idea? Wow, you found containers full of gumballs. A green one, a red one, and a blue one. Let's take them to the gumball machine and fill it up. Charlie can lift the small containers and pour them into the big container. Blue, red, and green. Now the lid goes on, and we're all finished. Candy, anyone? Great job, guys. It's time to have some fun at the amusement park. See you next time, friends.
Hi, Ted. How are you? Would you like to learn fruits today? Great. Then let's get started. Pear. Cherry. Apple. Orange. Lemon. Peach. Well done, Ted! We learned so many fruits today. Would you like to sum up? Pear. Cherry. Apple. Orange. Lemon. Peach. See you soon, my friends!
You have to remove them. This way, we'll learn the colors at the same time. Red. Great Dino. That was impressive. Blue. Black and white. Other colors. Nice. Now you know that the boxes aren't only filled with confetti. Pink. Well, you're very lucky, Dino. This looks yummy. Orange. The box didn't move, Dino. It must be quite heavy. Try again. Wow, that's pretty magic, Dino. Yellow. Wow, that looks fun. Careful, Dino. Well, all the boxes are out of the way now. Thanks, Dino. See you soon.
Hi, Dino. Hi, Lucas. How are you? Dino, would you like to learn shapes with us? Great, let's go. The first shape is to find a circle. Dino, could you help us find a circle? Great, Dino! You found a circle! Well done, Dino! Let's move on to the next shape. Dino, we have to find a square. Shall we start? Here it is! You found a square! Well done, Dino! Well done, Dino! Now, let's find a triangle. Right, Dino? Well done, Dino. Here is the triangle.
Huh?
And now, Dino, we are going to look for a rectangle.
Oh.
That's right, Dino. You found a rectangle. Well done.
Oh.
Brilliant, Dino. Now, Dino, let's find a star. Let's go. That's it. You found a star. Well done, Dino.
Uh-huh.
Dino, now we have to find a diamond.
Huh?
Are you ready?
Oh.
Great, Dino. You found a diamond.
Oh.
Well done, Dino. Dino, we learned so many shapes today.
Uh-huh.
Would you like to sum up? Let's go. Circle. Square. Triangle. Rectangle. Star. Diamond. See you soon, my friends.
Oh.
Subscribe.